What's up, guys, and today I'm going to be doing my squishy video, so let's get on to the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's go. So
grab yourself something to drink. Both of you.
first, soccer, crush ball, panda bun. I have, by the way, these are my license squishies.
Sauce or an apple?
I'll have some apples. Apples, yeah. A chocolate.
Is that on the table?
Squishy.
Water, iced tea, or milk?
Iced tea, like that.
Cup.
Peanut butter heart, so I have the matching of that. This one, rainbow heart. I have corn, a cupcake roll, burger, Pop-Tart, marshmallow, hot cocoa, as you can see the label, hot cocoa, crackling, pear squishy. Here. Panda egg, dolphin squishy. I have this squishy, a marshmallow cake squishy, pumpkin squishy, did bad, a log squishy, that will never paint, steam bun, Pop-Tart, and I have a nose, but I decided it. So I had this, but I had to do it for squishy. So if I'll go over it again. Here's a soccer crush ball. I'm just doing my license squishy stuff. It's crush ball. And here are the license.
Just wait.
Here is this. This is like my first one. It's so sweet. My panda bun, I love. I have this one. This one's pretty awesome. I love this one. So is this one. Like all these are. Here's a cupcake one. This one's my favorite. These are also raising, like this one. Like, you gotta see it. Oops, dropped it. This one's also my favorite. So is this one. It's like so sweet. I know.
Mom's at Burritos. Jump in the car. Another 5 minutes. And your fish will be here.
And I kind of wrap it up and make it go like this. Could go like this. I don't have it. Like this and show people, hey, that's bye guys, I hope you subscribe to my channel. So bye.